Hi everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to My Crafty Home. In today's video, I'm going to show you a cute little DIY for the 4th of July. I seen a nice little inspiration picture and I thought, let's try to make that. I haven't gotten together with my family in some time for the 4th of July, but this year is going to be different. So I wanted to make a few little extra fun pieces for everyone to enjoy. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share a little fun life update with you all. I'm so excited to share this with you, but first let's go to the Dollar Tree, get our supplies to make our fun little 4th of July project. The first thing we're going to get are two noodles. You're going to get a red and a blue one. Well, if you're looking for 4th of July things, the Dollar Tree will not disappoint. They have a huge assortment of things for almost anything, it seems like. You're going to want to pick up 3 paperweights. These are the ones that, not that one, because that doesn't have like the starburst. So you're going to want to get the starburst. You're going to get either 2 red or 2 blue, but these are beautiful. The tray is optional, you don't have to pick up this, but I wanted to make a chip bowl, so I did pick up this and I'll show you how I used it. For our next project, we're going to need some rice, and lo and behold, they had rice at the Dollar Tree. I did not know they had rice here, so I learned something new today. You'll also need some food coloring. I didn't have any, so I saw this and picked them up. I'll need a little bit of red and a little bit of blue. Dollar Tree has an enormous section of candles. These here that I'm going to use are just the little mini tea lights. These are just plain, so these have round. Look here, these are great for the holiday. They're stars, they have different colors. And over here there's definitely more colors, but I think I'm just gonna go and use the silver ones. So our third and final project, I'm going to pick up a few little plastic items in the plastic section, the potty section I guess they call it, but these look like little mini gumball machines. So I literally had an idea right then and there and said I'm going to pick up a few of those. I'm going to pick up a few cups. These are great. They have quite a few in there. Let's see how many are in there. 10 packs, so that's pretty good. And I'm also going to pick up these mini bowls. These are going to be at the bottom of the gumball machine, and there's 12 of those, so if you need more, you'll have plenty. And the last thing I wanted to pick up is some stickers, and they definitely have a nice little variety of stickers at the Dollar Tree, but these right here worked well, I think, on my last gumball machine video, so I'm going to grab a couple for this project. Okay, let's get started. You'll need your 2 noodles, red and blue. I have our 3 little weights. These are balloon weights, but they're so cute. They're like little firecrackers. I picked up 2 different kind of bows. You'll see what I'll do with those. And this part is optional, but I picked up a little tray for our chips. When you take the noodles, you'll want to arrange them so that they are 3 different heights.
So like I mentioned before, I got two different bows. This bow I'm going to use to wrap around the noodles. And I'm going to save these little shiny things for another DIY. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you get my latest videos. As you can see here, I made a little boo-boo, but I can easily fix it by putting a little patch on it. I decided to put the blue ribbon with the red noodle and the red ribbon with the blue noodles, but you can use whatever ribbon that you have on hand. Here's a little tip. When your glue gun runs out of glue, just melt one end of a new stick and place it right in. Now here's another tip. I ended up using the glue gun, but I found that it was melting the noodles. So I grabbed my E6000 glue and I used that. Once those are all stuck together, you're going to take your balloon weights and just separate the bottom from the top. They come right out. They're just attached to like sand, I guess. So this was disappointing. I'm so sorry I ended up losing footage, but here, let me show you. I actually put the little, I don't know, they look like little explosions. Aren't they so adorable? But I put those, the top of the balloon weight right inside, and I hot glued a cute little bow on the front. Obviously, you can go ahead and be creative, put whatever you like on the front, but these just look like a little firework. Okay, for our second DIY, I'm going to get our rice and our food coloring, put a few drops in there, and keep mixing till I get the right color. I'm going to do that also with another bowl for the blue. And when I get the right colors, I'm going to put a little bit of each in our Dollar Tree little cup there, our little glass. Just put a little bit of each, and then you're going to go ahead and put your LED light. You can actually even use a real candle too if you'd like. They work really nice, but this is so quick, so easy, and it comes out so cute. Okay, for our last DIY for the 4th of July, I'm going to get a little bead that I had on hand and these little crystals, and I'm going to make a little topper right for our gumball machine. This is so cute, guys. I really thought this was great. I just put a little extra glue on the top, and this really makes for a great little cover. Okay, I'm going to want to decorate this for the 4th of July. I'm going to get some of this wreath. I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue on the bottom of this so it just stays in place. And I'm going to go ahead and use a little extra glue to secure this to that little bowl that we had gotten at the beginning of our video. And that's going to work as a base. Now you can see the little glue marks, so I'm going to get some of these little stars, just clip them right off, and then I can place them right over the glue marks. Now that all the stars are in place, I'm going to attach the top of the gumball machine. Go right ahead and make sure that's straight, and it's a win. These things are so cute. Now I also got those little stickers to put on the front. I don't know, just added a little extra something that I really liked. Now this is a little cute little sign that I got. I had this on hand, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a little backing on it so that I can put it on a tray so I can display a little sign. Now I thought these came out adorable. I have a little mint station for my guests when they come over for the 4th of July. I think this would work really nicely in a bathroom. I tried to get the red, white, and blue little mints. I think this came out really cute actually. Here's our fun little firecracker decoration with our little side candles. These are so cute. Those candles were the easiest thing I've ever made, and they're so festive. And here's that little tray that I thought that worked well for our chips. Our little firecrackers, I won't lie, they are a little bit light, so if you can attach them to the little tray, I would. Either some glue or use some tape. I actually used some tape just to attach them and secure them to the back.
here it is, guys, our life update. I can't wait to share this with you. We are moving to Massachusetts. This is the land that we purchased. It is on 10 acres. And we have a little lake. And up near the ferns will be where our home will be built. We are so excited to share this with you, and we'll take you on the journey with us as our home is being built.
Well, it's been a true pleasure as always, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I hope that you have a wonderful 4th of July with your family. See you next time.